This is a quick video to just show you how to set up fire drawings graphically. We got a standard plan here which I set up. I'm just going to select one of the internal walls, and I want to give this internal wall a fire rating. So I go down into the type properties and I change the fire rating to 30 minutes. Accept that. And similarly, I want to give the external walls a 60-minute fire rating. So into the type properties, the identity data, change the fire rating and type in 60 minutes. So that means we have two types of walls in the drawing, each with their own individual fire rating. So you want to display those as a fire plan. So I'm just going to duplicate the existing plan, rename it, and I'm going to call it Level 1 Fire Plan. Okay, and now what we need to do is use the visibility and graphics dialog to change the filter of this plan. We need to add a filter for each new type of wall we just set up. So first we set up a 30-minute fire. Okay, we go down and select the category, it's in walls, and then we go across to filter rules and we select fire rating equals 30 and apply that. Similarly, we repeat the process for the 60-minute wall. Go down and select walls again, filter by fire rating equals 60 minutes, and then apply. Okay. So now we can add both of those new filters to the drawing. Select both of them, press OK. Now they're in the drawing, but they don't show anything, so we need to change how they're displayed. So we want the 30-minute wall to display as blue. Select blue, change the hatch pattern to solid fill, and select OK. And with the 60-minute wall, we want to select red, and again change the hatch pattern to solid fill. Press OK, apply, and you can see that we've set up the firewalls in the drawing. So similarly, we want to give the door a fire rating. So I'm just going to go down and I'm going to give it a integrity and insulation rating. I'm going to give it EI30. So we know exactly what it is. Apply that. And if we want that to display on the drawing, we need to go into the Annotate tab and give it a tag by category. Just cancel that. So tag, and I can switch off the leader there, so we just have the tag, and we can also switch off the extra data because we haven't got any extra data to show at the moment. And we can move it down into position. So now we have description of the door, D7. We can change that to D1 because it's the first door in the project. We've got the measurements of it, and we've got the fire rating. Okay, so the next thing is we want to indicate a rescue opening. So we use the symbol tool, load a family, annotations, fire signs, go down to escape routes, and we can choose the rescue opening family. Insert it, and now we use the space bar to rotate it until it's pointing the right direction. And we just put it in for every floor, every window. There we go. And the last thing I want to show you is the how to set up the fire escape route. So for this we're going to use a region. Just going to draw, first of all we're going to set up a new filled region. Duplicate. I'm going to call it escape route. the hatch to be green, exactly like the English documents. And I'm going to change the fill pattern to a line pattern. We can edit these line patterns just down here. You can change the angle to suit whatever you want, but a 45-degree angle suits us perfectly, so we'll just use that. And press OK. Now we can draw the shape of the escape route that we want to show. And I'm just going to sketch this out, but you should really measure these according to width. We can always change that afterwards. So now we've shown an escape route. Obviously it's not a real escape route, it's running from a blank wall, but I'm just showing the technique here. So you can see that the escape route is actually blocking the door. So all we need to do is we need to go in and edit the shape again. So click on it, edit the boundary, go over to the properties dialog, edit the type, and change the background from opaque to transparent. Apply, press OK, and accept that. And it's been set up.